Hello, it's James from the Clever Car Collection, and today we've got a spares or repairs Vauxhall Tigra to show you. Now, this is a classic car, roofless, as you can see, and importantly, that roof mechanism works. I looked on eBay, they're worth quite a lot of money, so you might be getting yourself a little bit of a bargain. This car's got the 1.4-litre petrol engine. It's done 134,000 miles. It's got a few marks in line with age and mileage, as you'd expect. Have a little look inside. Worn seat, worn gear lever gaiter, worn handbrake gaiter. What is that called? Handbrake cover gaiter? Whatever it is, it's worn. Steering wheel a little bit worn too. But most of the stuff works on this. It's got an upgraded stereo, JVC one with a CD player, electric windows that work fine, heated seats that work fine, air conditioning that works fine. Lots of these parts in this car are in good working order. The boot, for example, how do I do that? I press and hold this. Now the mechanism for this alone is worth about £100 on eBay. The original stereo is in the boot. Just going to shut it. I mean, it's not going to get tiring in any way, is it? But this is the perfect project car. So if you're looking for a car that you can fix up, it's got a few problems mechanically. It's not in a position that we would be able to retail it, hence why we're selling it spares or repairs. That means you don't get a warranty with it. It is the car that you see here. MOT until June the 10th. There are a couple of bits it will need to pass the MOT. I've put some of those details in the advert, so have a look on whatever platform you're seeing this on. I'm going to start it up. As I say, it's got the 1.4-litre engine. I'm just going to show you the roof mechanism, all working and in order. I mean, this is a very cool car, actually, if you like Vauxhall Tigras. But there you go, that's all working perfectly. I'm going to just put it up, and I'm also going to show you it going down. Let's do that again. Press the right button. Press the right button, which is the one on the right here. It's just by the window switches. And there you go, look. Quick, works fast. All looking good. Yeah, there was only 90,000 of these made in the world. If you think about it, at the time when they were selling this car, they were selling about 100,000 Ford Fiestas a year. So this is actually quite a rare car. The reason we're not scrapping it is because actually it is a little bit of a classic. And to some people, it's a perfect project car, especially as the sun starts to come out. It will be a very nice car to enjoy. So as I say, sold on a spares or repairs basis. We're based in Gosport in Hampshire. It's clevercarcollection.com to see lots of pictures of this car. You're probably watching this on YouTube, so go over to the website, check out those pictures, read the advert, give us a call. Thank you very much for watching. See you very soon. Goodbye.